everybody. Happy Tuesday. T Tuesday. It was so good to see so many of your faces yesterday. Boy, have I missed you. Oh, what do I have on today? What do you think it is? Pizza? Good guess. Let's see. Oh, the Muppets. These are the Muppets. I like them. I think I am going to watch Sesame Street today. I think it's on YouTube. I'm going to check it out. What do you have on today? I like that. Yeah, that's a good choice. When I was out walking earlier, it was starting to rain a little bit, and I thought of a song that has rhyming words in it. Are you ready to sing with me? It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Went to bed with a bump on his head and didn't get up till morning. Did you hear the rhyming words in there? Raining, pouring, snoring. Went to bed with a bump on his head and didn't get up till morning. Yeah, there's a lot of words that sound the same in a lot of things that we watch, and I wonder if you can listen for those rhyming words. Let me know if you can think of any rhyming words. I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow. We have 1, 2, 3 more days, so 3 more videos until we break for summer. Have a good day, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.